Hello guys, this is Muscle Rider and welcome back to the channel. So in the previous vlog you have seen how did we get the helmet. Talking about this Vega Bolt, and the graphic name is Bunny. We purchased this helmet from the local helmet shop, from the local Vega authorized helmet shop, and we got this helmet for 1650 rupees. So online this helmet is ranging from 1850 to 1900. So I got a great deal there. I got this helmet offline from the Vega authorized shop once again. In the previous video we saw the specifications of the helmet, like this helmet has an for example, this doesn't have a D lock, a double D ring lock. This has an easy quick release lock, and then this helmet has this kind of padding, small winglet here, and comes in a clear visor. I opted for a clear visor, so this helmet can be opted for a tinted visor once again, and I opted it for the clear visor. And this has a vent here and two vents here. So the overall weight of the helmet is 1350 grams. So it's light compared to my empty helmet. This comes with an ISI and DOT certification, so Department of Transport certification and ISI certification. So no issues if you are searching for an ISI certified helmet which has equal level of safety as compared to the DOT helmets. So this is it. So now we are going to test this helmet on board. I'm going to wear this helmet and show you how this performs in the traffic, in the moderate traffic, and on the open road. I'm going to record via GoPro Hero 8 and put this mic inside the helmet, and I'm going to vlog as I usually vlog on the empty helmet. Let's check how this helmet performs on the open road. Hope this audio test is working well, and I'm wearing my wife's helmet so that I can give you a review about this helmet, and I can tell you how this helmet performs on the traffic, in the moderate traffic, because abhi currently traffic nahi rahega itna. So how this helmet performs in the traffic and on the open roads. So here we go. So currently we are doing 30 kmph in the speedometer, and it's upon you guys. Judge whether you can hear the wind noise in the helmet or not. I'm using the GoPro 8 mic with the adapter. So we are doing 35 kmph on the highway, on the open road. This is the condition in the moderate traffic. So you can judge now whether you can hear the wind noise in the helmet or not. All the vents on the helmets are closed, by the way, so you can judge it. So now we have increased the speed to 60 kmph, and now it's upon you guys. Then again, judge whether you can hear the wind noise in the helmet or not. And it's really windy out here today. It's really windy out here. Also guys, I want to hear you the traffic noise, whether you can hear the traffic noise in the helmet or not. So now we are doing 70 kmph, 80 kmph on the highway, and check whether you can hear the wind noise on the helmet or not, in the helmet or not. Currently it's the open road, it's the windy day, and we are doing 80 kmph on the dash. Now we have switched to the empty helmet. Check, this is the empty helmet. Compare the wind noise which you were able to hear on the Vega. Then again, don't expect the same wind noise cancellation which you get on the empty, because this helmet is much costlier than the current helmet which I was testing. Just to give you an comparison overview, I gave you this. This was the quick test of our helmet. This is how our helmet performs on the open road. Then again, you are going to judge it better way that how this helmet performs on the open road. Let me tell you the size of this helmet. The size of this helmet is 58 centimeters as per mentioned in the inside of the padding. And yeah, hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, do hit the like button, do subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification icon so that you can get notified every time I upload the video. See you in the next video. Till then, ride safe and drive safe. Bye bye.